We're going to start looking at the different factors one should consider when buying health insurance, starting in this video. I've broken it up into multiple videos so that it's easy to absorb and I'm not overloading you with information. So let's get into it. The first thing that one needs to look at is the sum assured. Sum assured is the maximum value that the insurance company will cover in a particular year. I think a sum assured of 10 to 15 lakhs is the minimum amount that one should be insured for. The reason for that is a 1 week hospitalization or a 5-day hospitalization, which includes surgery, could cross the 10 lakh limit. So if you have a sum assured of lower than 10 to 15 lakhs, you may have to dig into your own pockets to actually pay the bill, which is not advisable. For a slight increase in premium, it makes sense to be covered for a reasonable amount. In my experience, average cost of hospitalization and surgery is about 1.5 lakhs per day, and this is in 2024. For those of you that have insurance through your work, you should consider topping up to a reasonable sum assured, because normally the companies insure you up to 4 or 5 lakhs, and that may not be enough. So definitely top up. A top up policy can be procured separately. Your company policy would be used first, and then the balance amount could be passed on to the top up insurance company. Second, you need to consider the premium amount, because that's the amount you need to pay. So you have to know what you're getting and whether you're paying a reasonable amount for it or not. Just pay attention to the fact that premium normally rises every 5 years, but there are also some plans where the premium is fixed for life, and that might be more suitable. Look at the claim coverage period. So what ends up happening is, when you get insured, some insurance will cover, insurance companies or insurance plans will cover you for 30 days in advance and 60 days after the hospitalization and surgery. But there are some that do even more. Some do 60 days prior to hospitalization, surgery, and 90 days after. So this is something that you need to pay attention to. The larger the period, the better it is, and this helps cover doctor's visits, medical tests, medicine, rehab, all those kinds of things. So you should also pay attention to whether daycare is included or not. Daycare is when you go and get treated or operated upon without actually getting admission, where you don't have to stay overnight. You can go in the morning, get operated, recover, and then get discharged in the evening. So some plans cover daycare, some don't. So just make sure that daycare inclusion is covered. And the next thing is room capping. So some policies will tell you that you have to be in a double occupancy room, whereas some will say that you can go into any room class that you want. So just pay attention to see what the policy covers. Do note that in a lot of cases, when you go into single occupancy rooms and the higher end rooms, your whole cost of treatment will also rise. So in a lot of cases, the amount that you need to pay is commensurate to the type of room that you choose. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do reach out to me if you have any questions at all. My email ID is adit@aditshah.in. My mobile number is 98675-87495. My website is www.aditshah.in. Links to my social media handles are available here. Please do follow or subscribe. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video.